welcome to Foresights TV, and this is me, Anushka Tyagi. In a significant pre-election move, the Maharashtra government has unveiled a landmark policy to provide free higher education for girls belonging to economically weaker sections, EWS, socially and economically backward classes, SEBC, and other backward classes, OBC. This initiative, aimed at empowering women through education, was approved during a cabinet meeting chaired by Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. The decision also includes waiving tuition and examination fees for orphan students, marking a pivotal step towards inclusive education. Has a special report from Foresights TV. Let's have a look at it with me, Anushka Tyagi. Effective from the academic year 2024-25, the policy is expected to benefit a large number of female students across various disciplines including vocational courses, medicine, pharmacy, agriculture and technical education. The government resolution GR specifies that eligible students must have an annual family income of rupees 8 lakh or less to qualify for the fee waiver. This encompassing initiative covers admission in government colleges, aided private colleges, semi-aided private colleges and non-aided colleges, aiming to reduce financial barriers and promote higher education among marginalized communities. Chief Minister Shinde highlighted that the initiative aligns with broader women-centric policies announced in the state budget, such as the Mukhyamantri Annapurna Yojana and schemes supporting vocational training and agriculture. These measures, including the Mukhyamantri Maji Ladki Bahin Yojana offering a monthly allowance to eligible women, underscore the government's commitment to women's empowerment and socio-economic upliftment. The announcement has sparked political discourse, with opposition parties questioning the financial sustainability of these schemes amidst upcoming assembly elections. However, Chief Minister Shinde assured that adequate funding provisions have been made, emphasizing the long-term nature of these initiatives to benefit generations of students and families. As Maharashtra prepares for the crucial assembly elections, the government's decision to provide free higher education to eligible girls from disadvantaged backgrounds represents a significant stride towards inclusive growth and gender parity. By removing financial barriers to education, the state aims to foster a more equitable society where every young woman can pursue her academic aspirations without economic constraints. With the policy set to roll out next academic year, its impact is poised to resonate across communities, shaping a brighter future for countless aspiring students across Maharashtra.